It's a rock factory.
They might perceive it wrong. And that's how we deal with things in Jamaica.
The pulse you are about to feel is beyond human.
Now, what is a bad man in Jamaica?
Alright, so a bad man is someone don't take no check. They box you up in front of everybody. They don't really care. They don't follow laws. They don't follow rules. Them just operate how they want to operate. They give you orders to go do bad things out there. That is what a bad man is, right?
So they say Bounty Killer is a bad man.
No, what I'm saying is that
Vybes Kartel a bad
what
man.
I'm saying is that we categorize these action as being bad man, right? So what I'm saying is that as far as at Jamaica, Jamaicans artists who are in rivalry for years, they don't do the actions.
Right.
Over the years, I mean, look at all these artists that has crazy rivalry. Look at Vybes Kartel, for instance, and Movado, that has the country in uprise and Gully against Gaza. Who will kill who? Don't go over there. If you go over there, you're going to shoot you because they're Gully. You can't come over here. So this is what's happening right here in Ghana right now in far as what may I say. You understand? So as far as like that is concerned, is that the government stepped in at a point to stop all of this stuff because it's too much. You understand? And it is a negative stigma, of course, to the culture and what they perceive what dancehall is. You understand? So if Shatta Wally was in Jamaica, no, that wouldn't happen because it's happening all the time. We not, and that's how we deal with things in Jamaica. They might perceive it wrong, and that's how we deal with things in Jamaica. I mean, Jamaicans, they're more aggressors and they're more direct, and they're willing to do certain things at the step on your toe, right? Yes, but however, when it comes to the music, it's all an acting game. We know that Bounty Killer and Beenie Man is in rivalry, but they're friends.
Okay.
They're real friends. But at the point is that they go and sting and they catch it out on stage. And it's entertainment and it's business. Right? So when it comes to people that get to the Jamaican dancehall, they have the wrong perception of what dancehall is, brother. I don't know what to say. They just have the wrong perception.
It's a rock factory.
Pump right, Beenie Man. Boy, run, come up in a me make young boy. Pop up in a me shotgun. Disrespect me side the last one. Your life, right here.
Dancehall is an acting space where you freely express your craft. So Sting, Vybes Kartel come with this whole soldier thing. You understand? And this whole pretty much them express. So listen to me. This thing is a clash, rivalry clash. And they have to express it with them props and all these things. That is what the culture is. So they gear up for Sting because Sting is that platform, right, where you go and rivalry clash lyrically, right? So that platform is prepared for that rivalry.
Okay.
There is no platform here prepared for that type of rivalry.
Okay.
To express that lyrically in the artistic way. You understand, right? So at the end of the day, is that. Do Stonebwoy and Shatta Wally want to clash? I don't know. Do they want? Because they draw this thing out too long. They're Afrobeat dancehall artists.
They are not real dancehall artists. Is that what you're saying?
Of course.
Listen to me.
Yeah. Please.
Right.
Allow rock. Now my patois won't come now. You want me to speak patois now?
You may I say is that right?
All right.
Shatta Wally and Stonebwoy them can express. Them can express in a way that me can understand them and me can move to the music in a particular way. Okay. But not in the authentic way of Jamaicans or Jamaicans.
No. Okay.
You understand? Right? That's the bottom line. So what I'm saying is that as from an African standpoint with the music and the Afro element, that beat within that dancehall, make it Afro dancehall. So the behavior and everything is different.
Okay.
If you want to put the behavior of dancehall within Afrobeat or the beat of dancehall within, say, pop, like let's go to hip hop and pop, for instance. What they do in hip hop and all these gang stuff is you don't sit in pop music, you don't sit in country music. That is hip hop, right? So it's the same thing with Afrobeats and dancehall. So if they're going to be a dancehall structure in Ghana, we need to place that structure in Ghana and start having development seminars and all these things for these young artists that is coming up in the business. Shatta Wally and Stonebwoy is not the only talented artist in Ghana. You know what I'm saying? So
Hush. Any Beenie Man fans in here? Any Bounty Killer fans in here?
It's a rock factory.